Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Desniat Halawa. I am class PBE 7A. Here, I will explain definition. Number 1, speech arts. Number 2, polytechnics. Number 3, definition turn taking. And definition card swiping. Number 1, speech aids. Definition: speech aids are actions performed through linguists, going by more grammatical structure to compass communicative purpose. The theory was first proposed by John L. Austin in How to Do Things with Words 1962 and later developed by John Searle. Austin divides speech aids into 3 levels. Locutionary adds the act of saying something with meaning. Aids uttering, it is called in here. Equalitionary adds the speaker's instinct behind the uttering and requesting someone to close the window. Perlocutionary adds the effect of the entrance on the listener. Listener closes the window. Examples: performative entrance. A non-pronounce your husband and wife are present during a wedding ceremony performs the acts of marrying two people. In dirt switch acts, call you pass the cell, literally a question about ability but actually a request to pass the cell. Number 2, polytechnics. Definition: polytechnics refers to behaviors and language used aimed at maintaining positive relationship with others, showing respect and avoiding causing offense. It is culturally definite and can be categorized based on Penelope, Brown, and Stephen Leverson. They are phase from a ring government concept, which includes positive phase, the desire to be liked and found, and negative phase, the desire for freedom of action. Cambridge Dictionary also notes to mind aspect, showing respect, and softening speech to avoid directness. Example: showing respect using titles like Mr. Mrs. or Professor when addressing others in formal settings. Sustaining speech using edits in often possibly false language or modern verbs to make requests or criticisms less direct. Instead of its close to the window, cultural variation. In some cultures, being direct is constrains impolity, while in others is full as honesty. For example, in Japan, bowing is a common polite gesture, whereas in Western cultures and sects are more typical. Number 3, talking. Definition: talking is the organization of conversation where participants alternative speaking. It was first studied by Harvard Sachs, Manuel Sexloff, and Gail Jefferson in the late 1960, early 1970. Key components include conclusive units, license, reference places where trans can end, and rules for eliciting. Number 1, the current speaker selects the next speaker. Number 2, a non-speaker self-selects to speak. Number 3, the current speaker continues if no one else takes the turn. Examples: casual conversation to friend, chatting which is passing natural at the end of a thought to let the other speak. Formal settings: a teacher asks a question and waits for a student to raise the hand or to respond, or a business meeting where participants signal they want to speak by pausing or making eye contact. Cultural version: in some cultures, overlapping talk is more common and not considered right, while in others, strict turn talking is expected. Number 4, card switching. Definition: card switching is the process of shifting between two or more linguistic cards, linguists or dialects, in a single conversation or interest influenced by social context, audience, or speaker intent. It is designed for bilingualism, which refers to the ability to use multiple languages. Sociologists like John Jumper and some people have studied its function and patterns. Example: interstitial switching. I am going to store. Interstitial switching. She said she will be late. Daily switching. African American students switching between African American English and studying English in school setting as studied in social research. Situational switch. A person speaking their native language at home and switching to the dominant language in a workplace or educational teaching.